Oh, the hot water heater's busted. Look at this shit. Hold on. Hold on. Ah, my boots. It's a long time. Oh, who's the hero? Don't break it. Oh, my boot. My botas. My boots. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, mucho agua. The hot water heater. You see that? You see the hot water heater?
Yeah.
Well, shit. Nobody's there. They're not going to have hot water when they come home. They're going to try to turn that shit on and maybe they'll see. Oh. Oh, it's full. Look at that. Mucho mess. How do you say? Es un poco.
Because I'm not being on home.
Is it inside your condo? Inside?
I don't know. Maybe.
Is agua inside? How do you say inside in Spanish?